The Cowbell is part of that ecosystem. It's a distributed edge computing hub and platform as a service. It is a combination of hardware and software and networking infrastructure that is required to enable cloud native applications at the edge. And it is very easy to deploy and manage applications in the Cowbell. And one of the value propositions is that even an unskilled operator can deploy applications and manage applications using the Cowbell. And we can easily scale and extend the system by just turning more cowbells on. And they automatically mesh using the underlying Rajant networking system that we have within each cowbell. It can also mesh and create a distributed edge cluster over mesh or any other networking backhaul that we have. It could be fiber, LTE, Ethernet, or any. It has a lot of wireless and wired interfaces to interact with sensors and hubs and common off-the-shelf systems and sensor platforms. And we seamlessly integrate with the QStat as one of the other platforms that we develop as part of Rajant Health. So the QStat is a wearable hub platform that is used for health and safety monitoring. And it solves a lot of the problems and challenges that commercial consumer grade wearables cannot provide today. For example, resilient connectivity with redundancy is something that we provide on sticking to the Rajant theme of resiliency. We also provide raw data capture at really high data throughputs and data rates. We also provide an open data API for other systems to integrate with these wearables and use the data coming out of the wearables for any downstream applications. And the raw data is pretty significant because it can be used for deriving health insights, actionable health insights. And they're also a hub for other COTS systems and sensors. So you can integrate Bluetooth wearables onto the QStat and then have the QStat be the communications gateway for all of the data. So you could be a moving wearable platform by wearing one of these QStats. And combine that with the Cowbell ecosystem and the applications that, and we can enable a variety, a plethora of applications that could create a lot of value in different verticals, including mining, oil and gas, construction, healthcare, defense, and a lot of other Rajant customers and non-Rajant customers.